Hi everyone, this is Charlie from Voodoo Authentica of New Orleans. I am a spiritualist and medium, priest of Palo Mayombe and Voodoo. I have a message from Spirit for you today, and I'm going to be using the New Orleans Voodoo Tarot deck to divine that message by pulling one card and interpreting that card with guidance from Spirit. So, the New Orleans Voodoo Tarot deck, a beautiful and artistically inspired divination tool whenever you want to get an intuitive oracle type of reading experience. We have these at the shop for you, and everyone can get something out of working with these cards, whether or not you're beginning your spiritual journey or a seasoned practitioner. The more you work with and develop a relationship with the spirits of New Orleans Voodoo through this deck, the more blessings can flow. So let's get right into this. I'm just going to shuffle these, a very much go with the flow type of vibe with this deck. I'm going to tune my energy in, asking God and the ancestors and the spirits of New Orleans Voodoo, of course, to deliver their message to me and help me deliver that message to you. This card kept sticking to my hand. We have Shilibo Novavu. Okay. She is out on a beautiful sunny day, washing her cares away in the water. But she's got fire in her hands as well. So we have this complementary energy of water and fire. The first message that comes through is about balancing our emotions and cleansing, the importance of cleansing our energy. So this does not need to be a complicated procedure. You can, when you're in your shower at the beginning or end of your day, or in your bath, imagine that water is washing away negativities, impurities, anxieties, emotional blockages. Water is living. It's the source of all life. Our bodies contain so much water. So water is programmable. You can program your shower or bath to be cleansing and to wash away imbalances in your mind, body, and soul. Okay? You can also take a little bit of sea salt and scrub yourself with that before you hop in the shower. These can be deeply chaotic times where sometimes we lose sight of our spiritual hygiene, our spiritual maintenance that can affect every other aspect of our lives. So Shilibo is encouraging us to celebrate our freedom to cleanse our energy, our freedom to use this living source of all life, water, to wash away what we do not want in our energy, in our minds, in our bodies, in our hearts. Okay? And the water-fire balance means how can we recalibrate our emotions? How can we stoke those fires to move forward? And how can we know when to settle down and get back to center? So she helps sort of manage that for us through this message. I love this, a really beautiful message and really, really easy to apply. So I hope this was helpful for you. And please know, at Voodoo Authentica of New Orleans, we are here for you 11 to 7 days a week, to continue to aid you and guide you on your spiritual journey. Come in and visit us at 612 Rue du Maine. We are excited to connect with you, and I thank you so much. Many blessings.